Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd and I'm the CEO of the Murrindindi Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's COVID-19 pandemic update for Wednesday, 25th of March. The COVID-19 situation is changing rapidly, as you all know, and at this stage there are no confirmed cases in our Shire, but there have been cases in a neighbouring Shire. I'm going to provide you with an update on the actions that Council are taking to reduce the spread of the virus, and that is based on the advice from the federal and state governments. I also want to send a strong message to our community about the role we all have to play in keeping ourselves and others safe. The federal and state government has made the message very clear to all of us, and I'd like to strongly reiterate this message to everyone in our Shire. Please stay home. Don't go out unless it's absolutely necessary. If you need basic supplies from the supermarket or the butcher, then that's fine, and that is essential, but please ensure you take appropriate health precautions when you're out in public. I've received lots of messages and calls today with questions on things like, is it okay to go to the park? Is it okay to holiday on my houseboat? Is it okay to visit some friends? The Premier and the Prime Minister have both been very clear on this, and I will be as well. The answer is no. Stay home unless it's absolutely critical to go. There have been very few questions today that thought of in that way should still go ahead. It is extremely blunt, but I think the Premier summarised it perfectly this morning when he said, if we're concerned about seeing long lines at Centrelink, imagine seeing those same lines waiting for our intensive care beds. Please do the right thing. At the direction of the Chief Health Officer of Victoria, all campsites, caravan parks and camping grounds are to be closed from midnight tonight, and all those caravan parks have been advised of that today. This decision does not affect permanent residents who live in the caravan parks, as well as those that are staying in the parks that have no fixed address or have been placed there in an emergency situation by DHHS. Tourism is a huge part of our Shire, and we're going to work really hard to bring tourists back when it's time, but that time is not now. If you're a tourist, please go home. Council is also working with small businesses in our Shire, and there'll be more announcements on what we're doing to support them in the coming days. The most important thing that our community can do to support local business is to stay local and shop local. A reminder, we have a business support hotline set up, so please give us a call on the normal number 5772 0333, and we'll be able to provide you support and guidance of what's available from the state, federal governments, and support you with rates, inquiries and all sorts of things. There's also a dedicated business support section on our website with lots of useful information and links, and what to do if you're experiencing financial hardship. As of today, all playgrounds and outdoor gym equipment are being closed to the public. Again, we've made this decision in the interests of protecting the community, and again that's in direction with the lines of direction from the state and federal governments. As people will know, our libraries are currently closed to the public, and I've been promising for a couple of days to make an announcement on that. So now we're offering a book butler service to our residents, where we'll be able to deliver books, DVDs and audio to your home safely, and ensuring, of course, we maintain the recommended social distance. If you give us a call on 5772 0333, we'll have a chat with you and see what items you need and see whether we can cover those needs. Please note our online catalogue isn't operating right now, so we can't access a number of books which are held in other branches or in our partner libraries. So we're really working on what we have in stock. But give us a call and our library staff will help you find something to get you through. And don't forget, there is a wealth of material available in electronic formats 24/7, and that's available from our website as well, so you can download audio books and electronic books to read. This is a difficult time for so many people in our community, and it's important that we remain connected. That's what makes our Shire such a great place to live. So please, if you're in a position to help and check in with your friends and family and neighbours to see if they're in need of anything, please do so. Please do so on the telephone. Please don't keep visiting people that are particularly at risk. A small gesture can go a long way. We did put out yesterday online, and it'll be going out via email today, and also available from our website, is the opportunity for people to register their interest in volunteering. Should the state require us to start taking deliveries out to people and providing medication and the like, we'll be seeking volunteers for that. The criteria is quite strict, and I know that disappoints some people, but we are only able to have people register at this stage that are under 65 and with no pre-existing medical conditions. So again, the information on that is available on our website. If you don't have internet access, just give us a call and we'll talk you through that. That's it for me for today. Please join me again tomorrow on UGFM, first thing every day in the mornings at 8:30 and 9:05 on Wednesdays. Stay safe, everybody.